Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll discuss the routine maintenance of refrigeration compressors. These compressors are the heart of the cooling system, and their reliability is non-negotiable for preserving cargo, provisions, and crew comfort. Proper maintenance ensures longevity, efficiency, and prevents costly breakdowns at sea. Our maintenance focus centers on three key areas: lubrication, seals, and valves. First, lubrication. The compressor oil is vital for reducing friction, cooling internal parts, and forming a seal between moving components. The oil must be checked regularly for both level and quality. The oil level should be maintained within the manufacturer's specified sight glass range. More critically, the oil quality can degrade due to moisture contamination, leading to sludge formation or acidity. Oil samples should be routinely taken and tested for signs of moisture, acidity, and metallic wear particles. Scheduled oil changes are mandatory, often accompanied by replacing the oil filter to maintain cleanliness in the lubrication system. Second, shaft seals. On open-type compressors, the shaft seal prevents refrigerant and oil from leaking where the motor connects to the compressor body. This is a common point of failure. Regular inspection of the seal area for oil weeping or refrigerant leaks is crucial. If minor leaks are detected, the seal tension or material may need adjustment or replacement. Leaks are typically detected using electronic sniffers or soap solutions during shutdown. Third, valves and cylinders. For reciprocating compressors, the suction and discharge valves are subjected to constant stress and heat. Valve plates should be inspected during major overhauls for wear, breakage, or carbon deposits, which restrict flow and reduce efficiency. The cylinders and pistons should also be checked for scoring or excessive wear, which can reduce compression efficiency. Clearance checks between the piston and cylinder head are part of the routine overhaul to ensure maximum volumetric efficiency. Routine checks also involve inspecting and tightening electrical connections, cleaning the cooling fins on air-cooled units, and monitoring the compressor's running temperature and discharge pressure. Abnormal vibration or unusual noises are immediate flags for inspection. By following a strict maintenance schedule focused on these critical components, marine engineers can ensure the refrigeration compressor runs smoothly, efficiently, and reliably throughout the vessel's voyage. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.